Welcome back to Funny Bunny Kids Learning.
Hi friends, hearty welcome to Kids Corner. Do you know who has come to talk to you today? Friends, it's me, Apiku. I have come to talk to you about my favorite color and to teach you how to draw standing line. Okay friends? First, I will say about my favorite color. My favorite color is green. Do you wish to see my favorite green color? Here it is. My green color. Let me ask you one question. What's my color? My color is green. I love my green color. Do you know what is this? This is a field. This is a paddy field. And what's the color? It's green. I love green fields. Hey, do you know what is this? This is a beautiful place with many trees, rivers, birds and wild animals. This is a forest. I love green forests. There are many big trees and small trees in this forest. Look what the tree says.
I'm a big tree. I'm a small tree.
I love the leaves of these trees. Most of the leaves are green.
Yes, our leaves are green.
Now I will show you some green leaves. Okay friends, look how beautiful these leaves are. What's the color of these leaves? It's green. Now I will show you a leaf vegetable. It's my favorite vegetable. Look, this is that vegetable. What's it? Yes, it's cabbage. What's the color? It's green. It's my favorite green. Friends, do you think that all the leaves are green in color? Let's see. Have you seen this type of lettuce and this type of cabbage? These are leaves, but these leaves are not green. Now I will show you some more leaves which are beautifully colored, but not green. Look, these ornamental plant leaves. They are not green. Now I'll show you some leaves with my green and other colors. Look how beautiful these leaves are. Leaves with my beautiful green and other colors. Wow, it's very beautiful. Now I'll show you some of my friends. Look, I have many friends. Now let me ask you a question. Touch my green friends. Okay, dear friends, touch my green friends. Yes, correct. What you did is correct. Very good. Friends, look how beautiful the sky is with beautiful clouds. I like this place very much. Here I used to fly balloons. Now, friends, let's play a game. I'll fly my balloons. You have to touch my green balloons. Are you ready? Yes, here I start flying my balloons. Whenever you see green balloon, you touch on that. Okay, friends? How many green balloons are here? Yes, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 balloons here. Look, this is my crayon box. I have many crayons. I have arranged some of my crayons here. Now let me ask you one question. Touch my green crayons. Friends, are you ready? Yes, okay, touch green crayon. Yes, you are correct. I love my green scribbling using my green crayons. Do you wish to see my scribbling? Yes, I'll show you. Look how beautifully I have done my scribbling. You should also do scribbling beautifully, okay? Friends, now I'll show you some of my colorings by scribbling. Okay, look, these are my colored clouds. I have colored these clouds beautifully using different crayons. Now, show green cloud. Yes, very good. Correct answer. Very good. Using my crayons, I have colored many squares too. I'll show you that. Look how beautifully I have colored my squares. Now friends, show my green square. Yes, very good. Correct answer. Very good. Now it's time to show you how to draw standing line. I'll show you how to draw standing line. Okay, you should listen carefully. Hold the crayon properly like this. Now draw a line like this from top to bottom. Okay, like this from top to bottom. You should hold the crayons properly, otherwise the lines won't be clear. And remember that the line should be straight. Once more I'll show you, okay? Like this, from top to bottom, you have to draw a line. Okay, now the line which we have drawn is standing line. Say once more, standing line. Now let's play a game. Here, I'll draw standing line on this fence. You should draw in your notebook. Are you ready for this game? Friends, when I draw a standing line here, you should also draw in your notebook. Now here I start drawing like this from top to bottom. Once more, like this from top to bottom. I am drawing standing line from top to bottom. Remember, the line should be straight. Now continue drawing standing line like this. Okay, very good. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Now I have finished drawing my starting line. Have you finished, dear friends? Yes, I know. You have finished drawing your starting line because you are very good. I know you are very good. Friends, you should ask your mama or papa to help you to practice standing line. Every day try to practice standing line because it will help you to improve your writing skills. Later, it will help you to write properly. Okay, bye-bye. See you. Take care.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching Funny Bunny Kids Learning. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.